Drop for drop, nobody provides a better shower experience than the Transpire shower head by Oxygenics. Whether it's the amazing coverage of the helix settings, multiple streams of water intersecting to produce a beautiful basket weave effect, or the dynamic oscillating pendulum setting, the Transpire will leave you feeling exhilarated. An extraordinary rain shower, the Transpire has an extra-large 8-inch spray face with 5 impressive spray settings that deliver a spa-like experience in the privacy and comfort of your own home. Our Oxygenics spray setting works like mini turbine jets, infusing the water with oxygen to expand each drop and significantly increase power, so you'll use less water while enjoying more skin revitalizing benefits. The Transpire extends more than 7 inches from the shower arm and increases shower height by almost 3 inches, making it perfect for the entire family. With this versatility, Transpire is a quantum leap in rain shower technology. Oxygenics, now that's pure shower genius.